Have you ever been coding in PHP only to be hit with a frustrating error message? It can really throw you off your game, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today we're tackling a common PHP error that says, fatal error, class XXX contains one abstract method and must therefore be declared abstract or implement the remaining methods. I totally get how annoying it is when you're trying to learn something new and an error message just stops you in your tracks. You're not alone in this. Many PHP learners face similar issues. This is a common stumbling block for many developers. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently shared their code and asked, "Why am I getting this fatal error about an abstract method?" They provided a snippet of their code, which we'll analyze together to find the root of the problem. So what does this error mean? In PHP, when you declare a method as abstract, it means that the method must be implemented in any subclass. If it isn't, you'll get this fatal error. Let's break down the code to see where things went wrong. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this error, but also learn how to avoid it in the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To resolve the fatal error, the user needs to ensure that the abstract method is properly implemented in the subclass. In this case, the user has already defined the method countMoney in the concrete_protect class, but let's clarify the structure. Next, the user should declare the protect_viz class as abstract. This is necessary because it contains an abstract method. To do this, simply add the keyword abstract before the class definition. After making the class abstract, the user should verify that the countMoney method is correctly defined in the concrete_protect class. This method should provide the implementation needed to avoid the error. Finally, the user should test the code again by creating an instance of the concrete_protect class. This will confirm that the error has been resolved and the implementation works as expected. Fun fact, did you know that PHP originally stood for Personal Homepage? Now, it's a powerful tool used for web development worldwide. Just like coding, learning is a journey filled with bumps along the way. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user emphasizes the importance of declaring classes with abstract methods as abstract themselves. According to object-oriented programming principles, any class that contains at least one abstract method must also be declared abstract. This means you should change the class definition from class protect_this to abstract class protect_this. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. This user suggests declaring the protect_this class as abstract because it contains an abstract method. By doing this, you ensure that any subclass must implement the abstract method, resolving the fatal error. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to declare your abstract classes properly. This small step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've learned how to tackle the fatal error regarding abstract methods in PHP. Remember, coding is all about learning from mistakes. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep coding confidently.